Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before I start the review, we'll discuss how to make money online on the internet because most people are here interested in making money online. So if you are interested in making money online, then make sure you watch the video from here on till the end. And if you are only interested in watching the review, then you can forward the video and watch the last 10 minutes of the video only, okay? So again, for those who want to make money online, then watch the video from here on till the end. For those who are only interested in buying this product, then you can watch the last 10 minutes of the video to see the review. And we will discuss these bonuses as well. So I'll tell you what these bonuses are and how you can get them. Now, for those who know me, all good. If you don't know me, then click on my channel here and open this in a new tab, and then you can go to the playlists right here and then you scroll down, and the second last category here says affiliate product reviews, and it shows you 1676 videos so far. Okay, so I think I started these reviews 5 years ago. It was COVID time, I guess, and I made like 1600 videos back then. And then obviously when you do that much work, you get exhausted. Okay, so after these videos, I changed or switched my field to forex trading, as you can see right here. So all these hundreds of videos on forex trading I have made. So technically my whole journey is on YouTube. That's how you can figure out who am I. I'm a hardworking person, that's all I can say. So coming back here, now click on more and you will find all the links we're going to talk about one by one. Okay, so for those people who are interested in making money with trading, okay, because trading is something, first of all, you will ask the question that, oh, I don't know anything about trading. Well, I am making it very simple. You don't have to know anything because I will teach you the basics, whatever you need to know. After that, I will tell you what to buy, what to sell. All you have to do is place the orders and you will just make profits. Okay, so there is a condition here. It's not for everybody, obviously. When the name trading comes, it's not for everybody. Okay, whether we talk about forex trading, stock trading, option trading, this trading, that trading, trading is only for people who have the money. Okay, so the only requirement from your end is that you got to have the money. You don't have the money, this option is not for you. Okay, so if you ask how much money, anything, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, depends. Okay, don't try to trade with $500. Okay, I will not tell you, oh, you can do this in $100, you can do this in $500, or you can do this in $1,000. You can do it, but it's not fun. Okay, if you don't make money if you don't make money which is noticeable, there's no fun. Okay, so I would say, yeah, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, if you can invest, it's good. Otherwise, if you have anything below $2,000, I think it's not worth it. Okay, because when you trade and when you make profits, they should be something considerable. Okay, anyway, so long story short, trading is for people only who got the money. Okay, if you have the money, you can click on the first link below and come to this page, enter your name and email. Okay, and once you do that, you will come to this page right here where you can go and watch more videos. These are short videos. Each video here is like 2-3 minutes long. So these are setups. I have shown you how to enter trades, when to enter, when to exit. So when you see these videos, you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's for people who have the money. But if you don't have the money and if you want to come on YouTube maybe and make these videos, because you can make money on YouTube as what everybody is doing YouTube. Okay, so there is a lot of money to be made on YouTube if you can do it. So you can click on this link. It says get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So click here and then enter your name and email. Again, you can watch this testimonial as well, because this Traffic Jarvis, which is the name of my course, YouTube course, Traffic Jarvis, as you can see here. So it will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within 3 weeks or 2 weeks, and your YouTube channel will be monetized just within a month. Okay, so when you enter your name, email, you will come to this page right here, and then go and watch the video and check all the details, because using this YouTube course, this is a 16 plus hours long YouTube course for serious YouTube people. Okay, so you can see the channel will be monetized, after which you can see I have made this kind of money with ad revenue. What is ad revenue? When you watch ads in my YouTube videos, I get some money. Okay, similarly, when you will make a video, somebody else will watch some ads in your videos, you will make money. but for that your channel has to be monetized. Okay, and right now I think YouTube has a requirement of 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Not easy. Okay, so if you want everything within a month, go and get this program. You can watch more testimonials here, you can see more screenshots here. All this money was made by me by making these YouTube videos. Okay, so in YouTube videos you can sell your services, you can promote something you like, and you can make money with ad revenue as well. Okay, so that's YouTube for you. If you want more details, go and check out this program. Then we have a link here, it says check out all my Warrior Plus products. So if you click on that link, I have launched some software as well. So there's Shimei. If you right click on this, if you want to generate some cool images like these, then you go ahead and get this Shimei software, and you will be able to generate these kind of images. If you want to have some affiliate campaigns, okay, if you want to launch some marketing campaigns in affiliate marketing or any marketing, you can get this Launch to Profit AI and watch this demo video here. It will help you generate all the campaigns, review articles, email scripts, YouTube scripts, you name it, we have it. Okay, so go and check out all these softwares and everything. And now what we have 100 leads per day. So we also have a system in which we will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will be able to email those leads once in 24 hours, and you can sell them anything anything of your choice. Okay, so for example, if I show you that system right here, you can see that I had been making this kind of money with the system. I mean, it's not something which will make you millionaire, but if you want extra a couple of $100, you will be good, I guess. Then, so you can see I've been getting commission every month, reoccurring commission. Okay, so you see RC means reoccurring commission. Okay, so every month I keep getting these commissions, even though whether I work or not, right? So if it's never ending, as you can see. So if you're interested in getting 100 leads per day and emailing them whatever you want to sell, you can check out this program and then book consultation. So you can, if you want to speak with me, if you are not sure what to do, and if you want to discuss something with me, you can talk to me on audio call 1-to-1. So click on this book consultation link right here, and then scroll down and click on this link says book now, and then there is a fees. It will cost you $97, where you can speak to me for 40 minutes. Okay, so if you have any questions, you want to speak to me 1-to-1 audio call, just make the payment, then drop me an email about your timing. When do you want to talk? We can we can mutually decide the best timing to talk, and that's all about it. And then you can ask me all your questions. Okay, so 40 minutes, $97. Anything else do we have here? And kiss tracking is the part of the bonus. So I sell separately kiss tracking, but if you buy the product from me, you will get the bonus. So let's talk about the bonus on that note. So I'll give you 3 bonuses. One bonus will be free lifetime email autoresponder, because if you want to start with email marketing, you want to grow your email list, you have to have an email autoresponder, and this is totally free. Okay, you can get that. And kiss tracking is a 2 hours training course. So if I click and open this, so kiss tracking means keep it simple, and this will teach you exactly what I am doing or what others are doing on YouTube right now, meaning how to make these review videos. So if you want to know how to do these reviews, how to find the products, how to sell, so you can go and get this training in my bonus. This is a 2 hours video training by me, recorded by me only. Okay, so I will teach you in this training how to go and do exactly what I'm doing right now, how to make these review videos and get some sales and make some commissions. Okay, third is Forex Profit Machine. This is an 11,000 words PDF book about forex trading. So for those people who got no idea what is forex trading, you can get this book as a bonus, and you can go through the PDF and you will have the basic idea about trading. Okay, however, if you join my forex program, I'll tell you exactly how to set up everything. Okay, so I guess that's all about it. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you have any questions, you can always go ahead and email me if you have any questions. And how will you get these bonuses? Well, one way to get the bonuses is if you go and buy the product for which we're gonna do the review, so you will get the bonus automatically. However, if you don't want to buy the product for which we're gonna do the review, in that case you can buy any of my these products here, Drishyam AI Launch to Profit, the audio review to profit. Buy any of these things, and then email me your receipt, your copy, saying that you have purchased that thing from me, and I will send you those bonuses manually. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, like, and thanks for watching so far, but go nowhere. We're gonna start the review now. Stay till the end. Alright, humans, let's do this RedditRank AI review. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you get to the sales page? For that, you have to click the link below my YouTube video, which will be saying grab RedditRank AI copy here. Click on that link. That will take you to the sales page. And my bonuses are linked to the sales page as well, which you can see right here. So this is my bonus URL, which is linked to the sales page. So if you go and buy from me, you will get the bonuses which we discussed earlier. Okay, so on the sales page, it says here, introducing RedditRank AI, the system that hunts Reddit's 1.7 billion buyers, start the conversation and closes commissions while ranking your posts on Google too. Completely hands-free while everyone else bleeds money, this and that. Okay, so this is all about doing automation on Reddit. Okay, so you will get some discount coupon as well. Let me show you. Here you have one discount coupon. And then when you go to the Reddit sales page, you will have some RedditRank VIP coupon as well. So try to use all these coupons, whichever can give you maximum discount. So this RedditRank AI 5 off for $5 off, and then 30% discount using this coupon. And then you might have new coupons on sales page too. So check out all these coupons and use them. And then the demo video is coming soon. So this product is launching tomorrow on 23rd of June. So they are not ready yet, but I am. Okay, so let's come back to the sales page again and let's see if we have some question answers here. So technically it's all about automation on Reddit. This will go and find the content, comment below the post, write some things, write some content on article like your post and everything. And if they rank and if somebody engages and somebody clicks on your affiliate link and if they buy, you make money. That's the theoretical concept. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through some question answers at the bottom. So let's see, where are they? So here are they. What if I have never used Reddit before? No problem. Perfect system for beginners. Will this get my Reddit account banned? The account shield system mimics natural human behavior, includes karma warming protocols, and address risk in real time. Beta users run campaigns for months. Do I need to create content myself? No. What affiliate offers are preloaded? High ticket offers across 15 plus niches are preloaded. Are there any monthly fees? No. How fast can I see results? Most users, as per their claim, can see results in 2 days. Can I use this for client work? Yes. What if this doesn't work for me? They have 30-day money back guarantee. Only buy if you need it, otherwise don't buy. Okay. If you are sure that you want this system, you want to try and see if this will work for you on Reddit or not, then only buy, otherwise don't F around. Okay. Only buy if you know you want it. Otherwise, there is no need. Okay, so get it. If you want it, you're sure, then go and buy from my link below. And one more reason why you should buy is that even if you do not want this RedditRank AI, but still you want my bonuses, then go and grab this copy so that you can get your bonuses. Okay. And the very important reason why should you buy this, if you like my hard work, if you like what I do, then go ahead and buy from me. Okay. Or else you can go and buy my products here. It says check out my Warrior Plus products, which I have shown you in the beginning. So you can go and grab these things. You can go and buy these products and you will get my bonuses too when you email me. Okay. So demo is not out yet. So, they are late. I'm early. I'm not early. They are late. Okay. So we have some OTOs. OTO 1 is this. OTO 2 is this. OTO 3. So when you go to the relevant sales pages of the OTOs, you can pick and choose and you can upgrade to whatever you want. Otherwise, you can skip. So all in all, the system is talking about automation on Reddit and get some traffic and make some sales. If you believe in the theory, then you go and buy this. Or else you can go and check out the programs we discussed in the very beginning of the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.